Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we make yummy recipes, guys. Today what we are doing is Oreo donuts. Yes, Oreo donuts. I know I'm the Oreo queen. I always do Oreo recipes because my kids love Oreo. So if your kids love Oreo, try this recipe and you will love it. So what I have here, I have 2 eggs here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some brown sugar. Okay, so I'll put all the measurement down below. This is my brown sugar. You have to try this recipe, guys. I know a lot of kids love Oreo. Okay, right, so I add my melted butter. Okay, and then I add my milk. I need to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It's a very simple recipe and you can do it quite quickly because you are baking it. You are not adding any yeast. So you are going to add the dry ingredients. So I have here my flour. Okay, I have my plain flour, and then I have some salt, I'll just add the rest. This is baking powder. Okay, and then I'll add some cocoa powder, and this is Oreo cocoa powder. So I'll just mix them together until they are well incorporated. Right, this is a yummy recipe. So the last thing I need to add is crushed Oreos. Okay, mix that. It smells really good, guys. Really smells good. Right, guys, so this is our butter now. So what I'm going to do, in order to put it in my mold, I want to put them in this, and then I'll pour it onto my mold. Right, guys, so this is our individual donut mold. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour them into the mold. Now make sure that you're satisfied with each. I've already buttered it, so okay, so I'm going to do that for all donut molds. So guys, this is our donut tray. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that into the oven. It's already preheated at 180 degrees. Okay, so we put that in for 15 minutes. So guys, our donut is cooked. It's very hot. We just want it to cool down. We just took it from the oven and then we put it on the rack and then we decorate it. So guys, for the topping, we have the Oreo cream here. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit of milk and then try and mix it. Right, so I'm going to add some powdered sugar. And then we mix it until it's well incorporated. So guys, it's nice and well incorporated. I want to add a bit of vanilla extract, okay? That's the kind of texture I want. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the piping bag, and then I'll just put that onto the donut. Right guys, so we are going to put our topping on. Just make sure that you spread it along. Just have to be generous. I'll do that for all the donuts. Alright, so you put your crushed Oreos on top of it. Nicely done. So guys, this is our Oreo donuts. It is delicious, so you have to try it, okay? It's so good. So if you have kids who love Oreo donuts, don't buy them, just bake it for them. And we didn't fry them, so the oil is reduced here. We just bake them. So this is really nice recipe that you can do. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, okay? And do subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications. Just press the bell so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching me. God really bless you. Bye.